is almost here, so it's inevitable that we need to update our skincare regimen as we do with our wardrobes. Along with taking care of our face, our body needs just as much attention. Hey guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to talk to you about my winter shower routine. Now before I get into this video, why don't you quickly subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. The first thing to include in your winter shower routine is a moisturizing body wash. As the temperature drops, the humidity in the air also declines. This results in the decline of hydration levels of the skin on your body. Remember the white lines that appear when you scratch? That right there is a sign that your body is in dire need of hydration. For winters, choose a nourishing body wash instead of a bar of soap, as soaps can further aggravate dryness. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Murumuru Butter and Rose Aroma Body Wash. Take just about a quarter size amount on a loofah and gently massage it all over. This vegan body cleanser has ethically sourced natural Murumuru butter, which is an excellent emollient known for its moisturizing properties. It also has 100% organic coconut oil that helps reduce dryness and also allows the skin to retain moisture. But what I love the most about this body cleanse is the fact that every time I step out of the shower, my entire body smells like a winter rose garden. All thanks to the beautiful fragrance of hand-picked Bulgarian rose petals. The next step is to exfoliate the skin. Between the cold air outside and dry indoor heat, your skin cells get dehydrated and die out faster. That's why you want to buff away these dead cells so new cells can regenerate. Now apart from that, exfoliation also helps unclog pores to keep issues like ingrown hair and bumpy skin in check. I like using gentle exfoliators twice a week, and this is my go-to body scrub. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish Scrub with crushed macadamia and rice milk. Scoop the polish from the container and scrub your entire body in light circular motions and then rinse it off. Pay special attention to drier areas like your knees and elbows because this is where the dead skin accumulates. The macadamia nuts are packed with essential fatty acids that help to nourish the skin while helping it slough off dead skin cells. This will help fight dry and flaky skin, while the rice milk works towards brightening the overall skin tone. After showering, we tend to roughly wipe off the body to get rid of excess water. But how you dry your body is as important as how you bathe it, because the skin is far more tender post-shower. I recommend gently patting the skin dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing as it creates friction and leads to dryness. Now remember that post-shower body routine is equally important, especially in winter, because if not done right, your skin will become dry faster, which means all your bathing effort will go in vain. So the key here is to load up on hydration. An excellent way to quench thirsty skin is by using a body lotion. This body lotion right here has been my go-to for a while. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Argan Oil and Lavender Soothe Body Lotion. Take a dollop-sized amount and slather it gently all over your body. Do it right after shower while your skin is slightly damp so that the moisturizing ingredients can soak up efficiently. Now this body lotion is free from parabens, silicone and dye, which means it's very gentle on the skin. It's formulated with argan oil that seals the outer layer of the skin with moisture and prevents further drying of the skin. And the scent of French lavender will instantly put you in a calm state of mind. So guys, I hope you liked the winter shower routine. All the products used in the video are linked in the description box below, so do check it out. Before you do, as usual, like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. While you're still at it, don't forget to tap on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.